George here, Fit Bodies Unlimited. Today we're going to be going over this glorious machine that we have here. It does two different things, leg extensions and leg curls. There are descriptions up here to be able to learn how to do it that way, or if you're a visual learner, that's why you're here checking out the video. So, several different adjustments, some up there, some over here. We're going to start in the back. Okay, the first one we got here, this adjusts the weight. You just pull the pin, adjust to your fitness level. Put the pin in there, you're good to go. This lever right here adjusts the back. So you would pick this up and you would pull this forward or back based on your height. And then we'll come around here and this adjusts it to make it so that you can do a leg curl, which is where it's at now. Or if you pull this pin and go all the way down, now this turns into a leg extension. And then this last adjustment here brings this, and now with this one, you almost have to kind of pick it up, pull the pin, and allow it to come down. And then this would rest firmly on your quads. So, again, we'll start with this like this. You would slide in here, okay? You want to make sure that when you're in here, that your leg is all the way back. There is actually a machine pivot point right here, and that's where the machine pivots and moves. Well, your knees are your pivot point, so you want to make sure that they line up together. So I'm good to go here. For leg extensions, I don't have to bring this down, but I will because it's kind of high. So we'll bring that down, pull that pin, hands here. Keep your hands and feet inside the ride at all times. Flex your toes up, and then extend all the way up, and then back down. Again, nice and slow, squeezing the top of your legs. Good. So that's leg extensions. Now, sitting right on here, I can adjust it and make it a leg curl. I would pull it all the way up. You don't have to, based on your flexibility. You can adjust this. There's a plethora of numbers that you can adjust that to, but pretty flexible, so I can get my leg in there. But again, I'm going to pull this bottom lever here so I can allow this to come up so I can throw my legs on top. Now again, I pull that lever, let this come down. Now this, you want to make sure that you're kind of firmly locked in here. I like to have my toes flex back to me, and then I'm going to bring my heels to my butt, squeezing all the way down, hold at the bottom, come back up, and then back down. Good, and really squeeze. Again, get a nice good pause using the back of those legs. And we'll do one more for funsies. There we go. And great. So, showed you both. Back of your legs are hamstring curls. Top of your legs are your quads. So this does both. It's a great machine. Make sure you stay tuned for more workout videos at our YouTube page at Fit Bodies Unlimited.